right, let's unbox this epoxy resin kit. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Yes, I do love crafting. Thank you for noticing. Okay, so let's dive into this puppy. Look at this box. Oh my gosh, I love this box that comes with the kit. I do not see many boxes that come with the kits. This is amazing. Look at it, and look at all the goodies inside. Ooh, I can't wait to show you. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. Ooh, and they have 2 layers. So the first layer, we have these silicone measuring cups. These are amazing. You usually have to buy these separate in other kits. This is super amazing, and they're 100 milliliters. You reuse these. You want these. These are the things that you really want when it comes to epoxy resin. So perfect. So excited. Let's just put this to the side. And then the next thing are these disposable little cups that are measuring cups as well, that has the measurements on it. I mean, you need to measure all the time when it comes to your resin. It's so important to measure your resin. The next thing they have is these mold. Oh my gosh, this pen holder mold. So great, silicone. That is amazing. And then we have our pyramid. I know it looks flat on top right there, you see that? But actually it comes to a point inside, and this is great to make cute decorative silicone pyramids. Oh my goodness. Fabulous, fabulous. And then these cute little guys are great for mixing in color when you just need a little. And so it's great to pour in, and then it's easy to clean up. These are great. So perfect. Okay, let's put these to the side like so. And then I'm going to take off the next layer. And of course they have your fabulous A and B resin. You need a 1-to-1 ratio. So there's 2 inside. Let me show you. Let me show you what we got for you. So we got your epoxy, and then we got your hardener. And exactly what you need. And so it comes with, each come with 3.3 ounces of both A and B. That is great, putting them right there. The next, color. You always need color. Let me open this package for you. We got some amazing colors for you with this kit. We got the red, the bright red. Next, we have our blue, and these last a long time. You don't need a lot of color when you add to the epoxy, and so it's so great having this much color when you're starting off. And they call this lemon yellow. Oh, it is bright. Yes, it is lemon yellow. So we got our colors going on for us. Those are great. Next, I can't wait to look at these. We have our embeds in our glitter. Oh my goodness. Let me break this open and show you what we got. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So we got our glitter. Look at that. And then we have more glitter. And these are shaped glitters, like there's moons and stars. And then we have some embeds, some fruit embeds. Oh my gosh, look at those. How darling are those? Yes, please. And then we have some more shaped glitter with some shapes in there, and different size glitter of gold. So nice. And then we have our fine glitter. Ooh, I love fine glitter when it comes to resin. Yes, please. And then we have some beads you can put in, like beads without holes, little circles. These are great when you want to have like texture looking inside of your resin. Ooh, that is cool. Look at that. It's like white and it has like color on the white. Yeah. Next, we have some more embeds. They're oh my goodness, flowers with petals. How cute are those? And then we have our stars and rainbow and like confetti looking stuff. Next, we have more fine glitter, some gold fine glitter. Again, you can't get enough fine glitter when you're doing epoxy resin. Yes. And then a couple more things, 3 more. And we got more of glitter, but of different shapes and sizes. And a red one. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. And then one more. Let me show you. Oh my gosh. I think this is my favorite. It has like pinks and purples in it. Look at that. So that's awesome. Next, let me show you. We got for like coasters. It's so fun making coasters. It's so fun making them. And they're super easy. Look at that. Perfect coaster silicone for you. And then we have, oh, look at these. Look at the heart, and you can put the key in, and some shapes. And these are great. These are great pendants. This is a great one for pendants or for keychains. This is awesome. And let me show you the last silicone that we have. They're for making earrings. We got your teardrop. We got like a C looking one. These are big dangle earrings. People love big dangle earrings, and these are perfect. And so you can make earrings with this kit. The next thing is they have for you, so you can make, you don't even have to worry about making your necklaces. Like they give you the bands, and they already have their clasp in and everything. I mean, this is like perfect. And then they also, I'm gonna do this last. Then we have for your keychains, if you want to make keychains. Ooh, we're going to be making some keychains in later videos. And then for your earrings, they have your hooks and your split rings. I mean, they gave you the hookup when it comes to this kit. This kit is amazing. And then all your little odds and ends. And I can show you. I'm going to open it up. A little crinkle for you. These spoons are really great, and they give you a bunch. These spoons are great when you're scooping your glitter, when you're just trying, I mean, the little things, like little pieces for like your embeds, these are great for them. So we got that. You always need your sticks, you popsicle sticks. I mean, you're stirring all the time. Popsicle sticks are so important. And then we have our pipettes where you can suck up and then put it in your mold. So wonderful. Oh my gosh, these are perfect. These little guys are for your fingers so that you can protect your fingers, because sometimes you just use like your pointer finger and your thumb to do it, but you need to protect your skin because you're using chemicals. And so it's so important to have protection for yourself. And then of course, they have your gloves. These are gloves for you. Again, we're using chemicals and you need gloves. So they start you out using gloves. And then these guys help you put your embeds and glitter where you want it, because you don't want to put your finger in the resin when it's wet, so you can move it along. And so yeah, they give you a ton of these. Isn't that great? Look at that. So this is the whole kit. Make sure you check out our other videos to show you how to use all this stuff, because we want to teach you how to use it. So make sure that you stay tuned and that you look for our other videos with this epoxy kit.